Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a journal haul. I picked up, well, journal and planner haul. I picked up some supplies for my Bible journaling. I want to get into that this year. I started a little bit last year during the summer, and I enjoyed the experience and things like that. So I really wanted to dive into it starting now. And so I was getting all my stuff together for the Bible journaling, as well as getting my planners and stuff together too. So I'm going to show you my planner haul and my Bible journaling stuff. And then what I want to do is come back and then show you, I guess, in depth of what I got for the Bible journaling. And then, you know, as the, I guess, week or so goes on, I'll show you my planners and stuff like that and how I put them together. So let's get started. First thing that I picked up, I got this from the Christian bookstore here. We had two and one closed, and so I went into the one that closed up and I picked up this Bible. It's called My Creative Bible, and it looks like this. It's a creative expression of faith. And this is a King James Version Bible. It's really nice. I love the binding and everything. And what it is, it's just a Bible that you can be creative in while you read and get your spiritual nourishment and everything. As you can see, I've already been in here, but you can, you know, use your colored pencils in here, your highlighters and things like that. It's really, I've been enjoying it. Again, I got this from the Christian bookstore, but I'm sure you could probably find one on Amazon. And if you have the Christian bookstore in your area, you can find one in there. But yeah, it's a traditional Bible. Well, it has the, you know, the traditional text and all that stuff that the Bible, a normal Bible would have. But you just have areas where you can sort of be creative, like I said, and just do little extra things in here. And I really love it. I really wanted to show you this page so that you can kind of see what I'm talking about. I've enjoyed this. Like right here, there is this page that starts the Old Testament. And then again, like you can go in with your colored pencils or markers or whatever and, you know, color away. And then this is the first page of the book of Genesis. You have the forbidden fruits here. You have a passage here on the side, you know, the book of Genesis here. So all throughout the Bible you can read, and then as you reflect you can, you know, create whatever. And it also again has areas to take notes and things like that. So definitely have been enjoying this. And again, this came from the Christian bookstore, but I'm sure you can find it online. Okay, moving along, I picked up this Bible journaling kit from Michael's. I got this on sale. I want to say it was $11.99 or something like that. It's been a minute. Well, it hadn't been that long. I want to say it was like around Black Friday or something like that. So I knew what I was planning on doing. So I kind of put it to the side until I got ready to start using it. But they still have them. I've seen them in there since then, whatever. But it looks like this. And I've opened it up so that I could show you what's in here to make it easier. But what I think, like I said, I'm going to do is just come back and just do a separate video on that. But you get everything you need to get started in here. You get your inserts, your pages, you get stickers, and it's going to be so nice to put this together and put it to use, because I have been dying to do this. I know I was watching May Made It, and she has been doing for the past, I think, 3 years, like a Bible journal or a scripture journal, I think she calls it. And I thought that was the neatest idea. And so I kind of did my own little thing or whatever. But this year, I plan on doing the Bible reading. I downloaded a reading list for the Bible that you follow each month, and looking forward to doing that. So this is going to help me with that. And like I said, I'll come back and show you what I got to go along with this. I actually got this whole box of supplies. It's Bible journaling supplies. It's actually stamps and pens and things like that, specifically for working in the Bible and things like that. So you don't get the bleeding and all that stuff from pens and ink and all that. Okay, so let's get into like just regular planners. Okay, oh, and let me show you this too. I picked up this set of gel pens, and it comes in a case. It looks like this. Again, this is Michael. This was a Black Friday purchase online, and this was dirt cheap because they had the best sale on Black Friday. And it took me a minute to get it because they sent mine to the wrong address, and then they had to resend it, and it's just backing and forthing. But I finally got my stuff. But yeah, it's just a set of 20 gel pens in here, and you get storage for more pens. So here's the set of 20, and then on each side you get 2 sections to where you can put extra pens. And so I like to go to like Starbucks or our local coffee shop here where I live and get myself a cup of coffee and a muffin, and I take my planners with me. I have a planner case that I take along, or you know, either my journal or whatever, and I sit and work in it while I'm there, just to kind of, you know, get things sorted out and so forth. So that'll come in handy. Okay, planners. First thing I got, well, this is not really a planner, but you can call it a planner because it says it's a meal planner. So anyway, I picked this up from Marshall's. This was $3.99. I don't know if you can see that, because I have the light right here on me. I'm in my office. I'm in a different location, but yeah, but it looks like this, and it's really cool. I just thought this was nice. It's called the Weekly Eats. It's a handy portable meal planner and shopping list. So what it has is this on the inside. Here you can list what you're going to cook for the week. And then on this side, you can make your list and pick up whatever it is you need. And I thought this was neat. It just looks cool for one thing. And I love the old vintagey look of the paper. I think that's what got me. And it's really nice. So I can just jot down what I want to pick up and have it for the week, because that's how I usually shop. I kind of buy stuff for the week because it's just me. So I can just grab what I need and then go. And then I'm always in there trying to figure out what it is I need, or have I forgotten something. So that will definitely help me out. Okay, then I picked up this home finance and bill organizer from Dollar General. Dollar Tree has theirs in now. I actually bought one. Yeah, I did, from Dollar Tree, and it looks like this. I'm gonna give this to my daughter, but they're similar, except this one's just a little bit more tricked out. But you can see they're kind of similar. But y'all have seen those from Dollar Tree. These are not too much different. Again, it has, you know, a little more bells and whistles. Has a little elastic on it. It has the plastic covering, and I was thinking about embellishing this. It just depends, you know, on how I'm feeling right now. But anywho, it looks like this on the outside, and on the inside you get a calendar right here in the front, and then you get your months. Like this is January, you get a pocket right here, and then you can list all your expenses and bills and stuff when they're due and everything. So it's just a basic, you know, bill planner that's, you know, and y'all have seen these before. I like the idea of having it like this, because I can actually keep this separate from all the other planning. I know some people have inserts, or they have a special planner that's like a regular traditional planner, but you know, they work in it or whatever. I think this will be a lot more simpler for me, again, because I'm by myself. So I think it'll work out pretty good for me. So again, this was $2.50 at Dollar General, and the one that I go to, Dollar Generals are like everywhere in rural areas around here. So they're everywhere. I found them. So I'm sure if you checked your Dollar General, you find them there too. Okay, moving along, my planner, just plain old planner. This again from Michael's. It's a recollections planner. I'm not a big fan of happy planners and the, oh gosh, what's the other lady? Not Erin Condren, but tidy swap or whatever. I like recollection planners because I don't like that plasticky binding that they have and whatever, you know. So, and anywho, this is mine. And I love the black and the gold. Last year my other one was black and gold, but it had a stripe pattern. This one was 20, you know, I didn't pay $29. I'm not gonna pay full retail for anything if I can help it. But I got this, I wanna say this one was, it was 50 off or 60 when I got this one. I'm not sure. I kind of wanted a bigger one, but then I'm like, what's the point? This one will be fine because I have another planner. So this size is perfect. So again, this is the 7.5 by 9.25 size. And again, it's nice. You get pockets in the back, you know, storage. You get a little file pocket there, a hole, you know, to put whatever you want to put in there. You also get stickers and things like that as well. But honey, if you're like me, I got a whole collection of stickers. But it's always nice to get extras. And then I'm having a hard time struggling here, but you get tons of them with this, and they're all right here in your planner. So everything's there with you. So you get the you know, like for birth dates and appointments, and you get blanks and stuff like that that you can fill in. You also get like a little grid sheet, or grid sheet, but it's a section of grids. And then you have this little note section right here. And I'm hoping you guys can see this because I know that light is like awfully bright shining. But yeah, you've seen these before, and I love the recollections planners. I just prefer those over just the happy planners. Okay, and then of course you get your months and your weeks and stuff like that. So yeah, I can't wait to embellish and play in here and plan and so forth. So yeah, that's that one. So I got that. And then I picked this up. Now I got this from Hobby Lobby during the summer. They had a clearance sale on planners and things like that. This one I'm gonna have to assemble, which is why I didn't get the bigger planner, because I knew I had this. So this is it. This one's really pretty. I love this. They had, I think because of the colors was why it was on sale, or they were on sale. They had like the really pretty pastel blue, and then they had this rose color, and was it a silver or gold or something? I didn't want that, so I got the pretty little rose color because I wanted to use like gold accessories because of the gold hardware on here, and I just think it's adorable. So on the inside, I bought the inserts, so I've already put those in. But as you can see, it's like gold. And then I love the fact that it has the pockets. I've already purchased a little pair of scissors and a ruler to keep in here as I work. And I love the inserts. As you can see, they're transparent. So you can see that. I love that. And those are your months. And then like with this, it has like a task list at the beginning of each month. It's just really cool, and I love this. I really love this planner, and I cannot wait to start working in it. I'm not a fan of putting in dates and things like that because I always mess up. But I'm kind of looking forward to slowing down, because usually that's why I mess up. I'm in a hurry. Slowing down and putting my stickers in and getting each month all set up and stuff like that. So yeah, and I bought some accessories to go along with it so I could bling it out. You know, my little charms and things that I could attach and all that. So looking forward to that. This was, oh gosh, a Carpe Diem makes these, so that's where I got that. Seize the day. But yeah, this is one of their planners. So again, this was Hobby Lobby. They're pretty much in the same price range as the recollections and the happy planners and things like that. So it just depends on what type of planner you like. But I got this as well. Okay, wrapping it up. If you've seen the previous video, or I'm not sure how many will be in between this video and the one I'm about to talk about, but I'm redoing some rooms in the house, or redecorating. I'm not remodeling or redesigning. I'm just redecorating some rooms in the house. So I got a planner. Well, I've actually had this for some years. I'm just recycling, but this is a planner for all the tasks that I want to accomplish in the house this year. I picked up this binder from Hobby Lobby, and I may have showed this in a video some years ago, but it's just an animal print binder. I actually picked up all the accessories to kind of go with it. I got the pen and some scissors and all that stuff that goes along with it. I even got the little sticky tabs and everything. But this is my household planner for the tasks that I have planned. And then I picked up some extra storage, you know, folders or carry cases or whatever you want to put in here. And then I'm gonna download some calendar pages and things like that to put in here. I already have some, but I didn't like how they looked because I was just being lazy basically. But I'm gonna be specific and try to find some, because here they are and it looks kind of crappy. It's not working. So I'm gonna take those out. But then I also have the binder clips. I actually got the matching binder clips. I just wanted a cute little fun something to make the tasks around the house seem to be a little bit more fun, so to speak. So that's why I did the animal print. And then I just put in some basic like notebook paper so that I can make notes and just put in what I want to put in, because it's, you know, specific for me and what I want to do in the house. And so I'm going to cut out some, you know, ideas from magazines and things like that that I want to kind of, you know, incorporate or look for items and things like that, so I'll have a visual. So looking forward to getting this all put together. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. Oh, also I bought the little folder inserts as well. You can just put them in and put whatever. But all this came from Hobby Lobby, this whole thing, all the accessories. And then I want to say I got these from Dollar Tree, the inserts, if I'm not mistaken, but I put it together myself. And if you don't have the funds to go out and buy some of this stuff, by all means recycle, honey. You can get some paper, and I'm pretty sure everybody has a binder somewhere. Cover up an old binder. You can go to Dollar Tree and get a dollar binder and just decorate and create your own planner for whatever you want, be it an everyday life planner or like me, house planner. You know, you don't have to go out and spend all that money on stuff to, you know, plan with or whatever. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. And like I said, I'm gonna come back and show you my Bible journaling supplies and all that stuff, because I really want to get into it. And if you're interested in doing the same thing, maybe we could set up some kind of online Bible journaling club where we'll do a you know, a reading list, and then do something creative to you know, celebrate what we learned from that experience. So if you're interested, let me know down below, and then I'll try to figure out something where we can do something maybe live once a week. That'll be fun, you know, just to, you know, make life a little more interesting and fulfilled. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, and until my next one, I'll see you then. Bye.